Dashboard lights can be confusing and worrisome. There's so many of them. What do they all mean? Don't worry. We made this video to help you understand the meaning. How do warning lights work? When you start your car, you will notice the lights on the dash come on all together. This is to check that all the bulbs and connected components are working as they should. These should turn off after a few seconds, but if one or more stay illuminated, it is to warn of potential problem. 1. The engine oil light oil pressure. Warning icon indicates very low engine oil pressure, which in turn means that your car's pistons aren't lubricated and are not running as smoothly. It is best to not drive the car, turn the ignition off, and have your car and its oil level inspected by a mechanic. If you continue to drive with low oil, your engine may cease to run while driving. 2. Low fuel light. One of the more recognizable gauge cluster icons, the low fuel light simply means the car is low on fuel and is using up its reserves. So be sure to take a trip to the pump soon. 3. Battery charge. If this light comes on while you are driving, your alternator is not making electricity and the car is running off of battery power alone. Check your battery connections. If you find this video useful, please share it with your friends, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, we'll respond.